Ganpati Bappa Moria. Today we are making a special festive treat, soft and delicious chocolate modaks, a perfect prasad for Lord Ganesha. Step 1 is the stuffing. In a pan, heat a spoon of ghee, add grated coconut and saute lightly. Now mix in jaggery, cocoa powder and a handful of chopped nuts. Stir well until it becomes a rich chocolatey filling and keep aside to cool. Step 2 is dough preparation. Boil water with a pinch of salt and a little ghee. Slowly add rice flour and stir continuously. Cover and rest for 5 minutes, then knead into a soft, smooth dough until it is still warm. Step 3 is shaping the modaks. Take a small portion of the dough, flatten it into a cup shape and add a spoon of the chocolate filling. Carefully fold and shape it into a beautiful modak or use a modak press or mold. Step 4 is steaming. Place the modaks on a greased plate or banana leaf and steam for 10 to 12 minutes until the outer layer turns glossy. And there you have it, warm, soft, chocolate-filled modaks rich with festive flavor. Offer them to Lord Ganesha, then share the sweetness with your family, friends and loved ones. Wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Once again, Ganpati Bappa Moria. Jai Bolo Ganesh Maharaj ki Jai. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.